In this video we're going to look at an altcoin on request from one of the subs, Theta, Theta, I don't know how you kids call it these days. Anyways, that's the one where we're going to look at right now. As of recording, it trades around 136, and I'm gonna have a look at if this is interesting or not. But first let's zoom out. Where are we now? And how much can we go up, or did we go up? Anyways, from the bottom that we put in, then we had yippee-ki-yay, Trump's president, everything goes up. That was 62%. I think that is slightly above the average of most of the altcoins. I've seen 30, 40, 50, and the really outliers is 60, 70. So this is quite high. If I then zoom out here on the daily and I just check at, or actually let's take the weekly, what did we do, of how much can we go up until the previous let's say high that we made earlier this year, that kind of fools your bull run, that is 181%. So if we would just go up back to that high, 181%, if we would go back to the real all-time high, it is a 340% from here. 340% from here, so that's quite something. I think absolutely not a outperformer. There are many alts that will do much better, but still it is of course a very attractive return if you compare this to any other trading class, stocks, think about bonds or real estate or whatever. Of course 300% in probably the next 12 to 18 months is still tremendous. Then the 4 hour, let's have a look at that. I can also take this off. There I saw two most important things, and I'm just going to keep it very simple. We have this volume profile that starting off from approximately June until where we are now. You can see that we traded very nicely in between that profile. I actually never traded this coin actively, but I think I should, because you can see that it is respecting these levels actually quite nicely. Backtest, grinding, then testing it here, and then you have your back test again, and we're losing it. You can see that actually it is trading very nicely between all of these lines. For now, the most important thing that I've noticed is that we had a breakout of this volume profile, and then we kind of lost it again, and now we had that back test again, and we also had this trend line here that was broken. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a little bit more of a downwards move. I mean, come on, after a bit more than 60% profit, also makes a lot of sense to go lower. Where can we go? I am aiming for just underneath this golden pocket. So the golden pocket is approximately at 122, 124. However, just underneath we have that point of control. I do not want to see a daily close of a candle underneath that level. No daily close underneath this level, because yeah, then you're going to hit the 78.6, the value area low again, and maybe even take out these lows. That's just bearish. If something is very, very strong and it is bullish, I do not want to see very strong retraces. Of course, if we have no retraces like on Bitcoin, then it's very annoying, but you want to see it more move graciously. You want to see this in your price and then to go higher, because that is very nicely to trade, very clear levels. But I do not want to see this and then all the way up and then almost all the way down. That is just horrible. That is XRP kind of trades that I hate that. So for now it looks good. Does it make sense that we go lower? Yes, it does. And if we go higher, then I would like to see it from at and around that golden pocket till just at and around that point of control. I mean, if we would wick a little bit lower, I mean, come on, who's counting? You know, if you wick just underneath here just to take liquidity and then reclaim that point of control again, absolutely fine. Just no daily close underneath these levels right here, underneath that point of control, then it suddenly starts to look very bearish. Other than that, it will be very nice. So really treat this as a zone, and then to go higher, of course, I would then aim for these highs here. You could be very conservative and say, I'm just gonna take out some profit here at the value area high. That then starts off from 143, and then here of course you have 165. Personally, if I would trade this, and this is very aggressive, then I would wait for this trade. So we go here, and then I would get in. I would only take out 25% here and maybe 25% here, and just let the rest ride. Usually I never take so little profit. Usually my first TP is already 50% profit, and so this here again 25%, I only have 25% riding. But now I would say, if there is a chance that we are going much higher because of the upcoming bull market, or the bull market that we are in right now, then I am willing to carry a lot of the trade to higher prices, and of course then eventually I want to aim for that all-time high all the way up. Was it at $4 or something? What did I just tell you? Even $6 ish. Two other boxes that I want to show you, and that is these two boxes. This will give you some hold up, so don't expect then a pump higher. You can see there was a lot of trading going on here. There was also a lot of volume. We spent quite some time here to start off from 12th of April all the way to mid-June, and the same here. So if eventually price goes higher, you do something like this, and then maybe a back test of these highs, and then you will stay here for a while. I would still not close half of that back. I would just let it ride, because I would expect that price also needs some time to get through all of this, and the same goes for here, and then eventually to go higher. If it does eventually go higher, then the last bit is going to be a squeeze, because there is not a whole lot. You have this box right here, but to be honest, I think then you're already in such a euphoria in the market. You have here double high, triple high even. I think you're just going to squeeze through all of it in a matter of 1 or 2 days, then you're all the way back up. So if we would reclaim now again the value area high, then it becomes interesting, and then we probably need to wait a little bit before price can plow through all of this price action. It will need some time and then to go higher. I have looked, by the way, at the news. Also the member who asked for this said there are collaborations with universities. That is 100% true. You can also see it here. I also saw then right away that the tokens are unlocked, and this is actually quite nice. It's already 100%, so we don't have further dilution in the future that more is being dumped on the market. So 100% is already unlocked, and it is what it is. So if price trades higher, it is mainly just because there is more demand in the market. It is, by the way, an AI coin, in case you didn't know. If you're interested in my take on AI coins, then definitely check out the video that I uploaded yesterday. Which AI coins should you buy? How I am looking at AI coins, and what my strategy is holding and trading these AI coins during this upcoming bull market. Alright, that will be it for this coin. I hope that this was an answer to your question and that helped you out. If you like the content, guys, or you have any requests, please let me know in the comments. When you're down there anyways, also make sure that you like, subscribe, click on the bell, click on all so you don't miss anything. Leave me a comment, share this video with your friends if you think that's useful. See you guys very soon again in the next one. Bye bye.